Hello everyone, this is me Ansari Shabnam and you all are watching All About Teaching. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 10, Water. Water is essential for all living beings and it is present in fruits, vegetables, leaves, flower and even in the air that we breathe. ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि वाटर हर जगह प्रेजेंट होता है कि जब हम फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल कट करते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली वो प्लेस गीली हो जाती है, या अगर हम लीफ ले लें और उसे क्रश करें तो क्रश करने पर वो उसमें से लिक्विड एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है और वो लिक्विड ऑब्वियसली लिक्विड में वाटर प्रेजेंट होगा, तो इससे पता चलता है कि वाटर उसमें प्रेजेंट है. Let us discuss about local sources of water. In cities we get water from tap. At some places, water is also drawn from underground with the help of hand pumps. And at some places, people get water from lake, ponds or river, and they also draw water from well. This is the picture of a river. The water of the river is purified for their own purposes, for their household work, domestic purposes, or the water is purified for the drinking purpose also. Let's talk about the sources of water. On the earth, water is present in river, lake, pond, well, seas and oceans. These cover a very large part of the earth surface. अर्थ सरफेस का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा, यानी कि कितना बड़ा हिस्सा होगा अगर ये पानी ही है तो 3/4, यानी कि 4 हिस्से में से 3 हिस्सा सिर्फ और सिर्फ पानी से ही कवर्ड है. एंड पिकनिक स्पॉट्स आर ऑफन डेवलप्ड नियर लेक्स एंड रिवर्स. व्हाई इज़ इट सो? क्यों ऐसा है कि पिकनिक स्पॉट्स लेक्स और रिवर के पास होता है वाटर? बिकॉज द वाटर प्रेजेंट देयर इज़ यूज्ड फॉर बोटिंग एंड अदर वाटर स्पोर्ट्स, ताकि वहाँ पर जो भी पानी है उसमें वाटर स्पोर्ट्स कर सकें ज़्यादा इन्जॉयमेंट के लिए. एंड रिवर, लेक्स, पॉन्ड्स एंड वेल गेट वाटर मेनली फ्रॉम rain and snow. Rain and snow are the natural source of water. Rainfall. You must have enjoyed bathing in the rain, and for that you do not need water from the tap or the bucket. You get a natural shower of water from the rain, from the sky itself. And rain is the most important natural source of water. Ponds, lake, river and water generally mainly they get water from rain itself. The rainwater that goes down under the ground, that is called groundwater, and this groundwater is used by the plants for their growth. And when it rains, it washes away the dust and the dirt from the leaves and the plants, and the plant look greener and fresh and more beautiful after the rain. And the rain also work as the natural source of irrigation for plants and crops, and in many places the river water is purified for the drinking purpose. And you have noticed the behavior of animals in your locality on a rainy day. Some of you might have seen a peacock, or animals, they are taking bath in the rain, or you must have seen a peacock merrily dancing. It enjoys the rain and feel happy as we enjoy the rain, and we feel happy when we see the rain. Actually in childhood we enjoy the rain the most. Next is snow. The tree roofs of the houses and the hill get covered with snow. A white sheet seems to be covered everything. Snow is a major natural source of water, and in winter there is normally heavy snowfall on the mountains, and during summer this snow gets melted and changes into water. This water flows down the mountain into the rivers and lakes. The rivers and seas of India. India is a land of many rivers. The major rivers of North India are Indus, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Beas and Chenab. The main river of South India are Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi, Narmada and Tapi. India is surrounded by the Indian Ocean on the south and Bay of Bengal on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west side. Utility of rivers. River water is sometimes diverted into canals. These water is to be used for irrigating the fields. Rivers are a useful source of energy. You might have visited a dam or seen a picture of a dam. A dam stores river water in it. This stored water can be used to generate electricity. For this, it is made to fall from a height. There are some machines kept over there to generate electricity, and that electricity is called hydroelectricity. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye bye.